all you cool cats and kittens. This is Sarah. I'm just kidding, you guys. Let me know if you've seen Tiger King down below. Anyways, my name is Sarah, and today we have an after dark cleaning video. This makes my mornings way easier, and I do this just about every single night, except I am going overboard with the sanitizing just because of the current situation in the world. But I do this just about every single night, and I wake up and it's just way better to wake up to a clean kitchen, you guys. Okay, so I just wanted to let you guys know that. And also, this is a video that you guys have to comment on for the giveaway, you guys. I'm having a giveaway, so I will be posting like a little 2-minute video later on today to explain what you have to do, or if you feel confident enough, you guys can just look down in the description and see what you guys have to do. This is a Cashapp giveaway just because of the current situation. I'm not trying to go to the post office or nothing, okay? So I'm gonna send you cash ASAP, okay? So go ahead and head down to the description and it'll tell you exactly what you need to do. Don't forget to like and subscribe, y'all. Skin, summer's blind us to giving. Where you wanna go, where you wanna go. Stars align onto your face, pretty sweet your sour taste. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors. So you guys, I'm thinking about starting like a podcast with my husband Bryce Ass, and it will be so fun. We want topics. You guys can email us, or we can talk about financial stuff, we can talk about business stuff, we can talk about marriage, kids. We can talk about basically anything. So let me know if that's something that you guys would be interested in. Bryce and I are two different people, so you're literally getting two different perspectives, but we do think the same on a lot of stuff, but our personalities, they're hella funny when they're together, okay? Because he is super quiet and I'm like this wild, I'm a fire sign, I'm an Aries, which you guys, my birthday's in like 2 days or 3 days, April 6th, you guys. So where are all my other Aries ladies at? I can't believe we gotta be inside the house, you guys. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need, right? So listen, I highly suggest that you guys go and get some rags like this, especially with what's going on. We have hella rags like this. The only thing I wish is that we had like different colors, but I never get them mixed up. See how I have two of them? One of them's for drying dishes and the other one I will use to clean off the counters. I never get them mixed up. I don't know what it is. It's because I'm a boss. But anyways, oh y'all, look at that cleaning spray. It smells the best, but of course they're sold out on the Grove, which I will have my stuff linked down below for you guys. But that is the best smelling antibacterial spray I have ever smelled, and I highly, highly suggest it.
Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the real.
You guys to notice the effortless booty shake right here that I'm not trying to do, but it's cute, it's cute.
Letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And baby going down, 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 baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know.
Okay, you guys, sorry about the lighting because like I said, this is an after dark video. But listen, this is where we do all of his crafts. That towel that's right there has paint on it. I put it down on the table before he paints or colors, because if I don't, it'll get everywhere. So, and when I say color, I mean like the markers and stuff like that. So that's just another, I guess, a recommendation that you guys can use for your toddlers as well. But you guys, this really what I'm doing right now is just getting everything off of the table. This helps me so much in the morning. I highly recommend that you guys all do it. And I will have some more videos coming up with other things that I do to have an easier morning, like my nighttime routine and stuff like this. But this is part of my nighttime routine.
In your eyes, I feel the warmth of your skin. Just the touch of your hand makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair, lying here in my bed. Never gonna be alone, 'cause with you I'm finally coming home. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. Without your love, I am out of place. And without you, I am just a trace. I love you with all of my heart. Together forever, never to part. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. Always, yeah. You are my world in every place. Oh, oh, oh. It's the things that you do. It's the things you do, baby. And it's the smile on your face. Smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. It's the things that you do. The things that you do. And it's the smile on your face. The smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place.
You guys, this pine sol is so bomb. It smells so good. Highly recommend you try it. Go out. Well, I don't want to say go out. Order it on Amazon or something like that, because you need it in your life.
For you now, you got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger.
just watch me breaking. You're sweet, you're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just take a hint, you got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, I'll see you.
You guys, this is my favorite mop. It's the Cedar mop. I will have a link for it down below. I highly recommend this mop. It's been my favorite. I've tried so many different kinds, and honestly, Bryce said it's his favorite too, even though he don't really use it like that. Like, let's be honest, but he did use it one time, okay? But he said it's his favorite too. And yeah, so definitely go and purchase it. Right now, I'm just sanitizing the remotes, which I do every single night for real. Because you have to, especially everything that's going on. But you guys, thank you so much for watching this video, watching the end. Don't forget to comment, because that's what you got to do for the giveaway. Make sure you look at the instructions, and I hope this helps you guys get some cleaning motivation. And yeah, you guys, not Ollie, Charlie's looking like a whole mop right now. I did give him a haircut, so if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, go ahead and do that, because you guys will crack up. I did it at home because times are rough, okay? Leave him alone. I will see you guys next video, and good luck with the giveaway.